Oka Manasu Telugu movie summary. Sandhya, a medical student, falls deeply in love at first sight with Surya, a youngster with political aspirations. Surya does small-time settlements as he awaits a chance to contest at the local elections. Sandhya understands that the path ahead of her is not easy when she sees Surya roughing up people every now and then. Her mother suggests Surya to leave politics for her daughter, but Surya does not agree and follows his path because of his father's wish to see his son as an MLA. One of the settlements later becomes a serious issue, leading to an FIR being filed on Surya for SC/ST atrocities, and he is arrested on those charges. After knowing Surya's arrest, Sandhya decides to wait for him, but her mother convinces her to shift from Vijayanagaram to Vizag on hopes to forget Surya. 3 years later, Surya is released on bail using the high influence from his uncle, who is an MLA belonging to the opposition party in Vizag. Surya tries to make a settlement to cancel the case on him. He learns that one of his friends betrayed him for his political aspirations, became an approver, and is now a municipal chairman to the Vijayanagar district. Surya meets him for a compromise, it leads to a fight, and the situation becomes worse. Surya's father appoints Satya, a practical man with no sentiments, as his advisor. They become good friends rather than a boss and employee because of Satya's straightforward nature and his loyalty towards him. Later in Vizag, Surya meets Sandhya and advises her to leave him because of his situation, as there is no guarantee on his future. But Sandhya refuses to leave him and replies that she will wait for him for her entire life. Satya supports her decision and advises Surya to keep it as a secret until the problem is solved. Surya and Sandhya start a live-in relationship without her mother's will. Surya starts helping in his uncle's election campaign. During the election campaign, a person starts attacking Surya's uncle, who once expected a MLA ticket but was refused under the grounds of financial backup. Surya protects his uncle and beats the person up. Satya understands that he is showing his frustration on him because of Sandhya. Impressed by his actions, Surya's uncle gives him an opportunity to contest as an MLA and is ready to make him his political heir on the condition that Surya marry his daughter, who is a spoiled divorcee. Surya's father and Satya support this and try to convince Surya for the marriage, as this will solve his case and to achieve his ambition. Surya refuses to betray Sandhya but remembers his father's dream and lies to her that his bail was cancelled. He instructs to start a new life without him, but Sandhya does not listen to him and tells him that she will wait for him forever. Later, through Surya's father, she understands his situation. Surya's father knew their relationship through Surya earlier. Sandhya decides to leave him but for 2 conditions: he must achieve his ambition, and she asks him to spend some time with him for a couple of days, to which he accepts. After 2 days, in the morning, when Surya tries to wake Sandhya up on the bed, realizes that she committed suicide. He finds a note beside her which tells him that she has fulfilled her dreams with him and she will wait for him in the next life. The film ends with Surya remembering her memories on her grave.